Well, before we move on to looking at some measurements, we're going to interpret some drawings. And we're looking at lines, points, and planes. And let's see, we're supposed to explain our reasoning to the questions, two questions that we have here. Are points E, D, F, and G coplanar? In other words, are they on the same plane? Coplanar, are they on the same plane? E, D, F, and G. Well, let's see. There's D, and there's E, and there's F. Now, DEF is on the same plane. It's on this plane right back here. It's on that plane right there. But G here is not on the same plane. And EF and G are on the same plane. That's this plane here, X. But D's not on that plane. And so we would have to say the answer to this question is no. They are not coplanar. And then as far as explaining that reasoning, I could go two ways with that. I could say E, F, and G are on the same plane, but D is not on that plane. It doesn't lie on the plane of X. But I also could say that D, E, and F are on the same plane, but G's not on that same plane, but we don't have a label for that. So it's probably a better explanation to say that E, F, and G are on plane X, but D is not. Let's go to the second question. At what point or in what planes are JDH, JDE, and EDF? And at what points do they intersect? Okay, at what points do they intersect? Well, let's see. Pick a color here to deal with. Maybe this will show up. I don't know. All right, J, D, and H. J, D, and E. And E, D, and F. E, D, and F. At what point or in what plane? Well, they're not on the same plane, so they can't intersect at the plane. But I can see here that they do, in fact, all three of those planes intersect at point D. And we could say that point D is the only point the planes have in common, or intersect. Yeah, have in common. Okay. Well, we've interpreted a few little drawings. Aren't we special? Are you special?